are asking me if I was always this different. And before I answer, I will tell you a little story. When I was little, like still in kindergarten, I would always cry before I go to school. And my little sister would even hold my hand and take me to the right class if we were late or something. But when you walk into the school, everyone would always gather around, and there would be a group task, like to make something out of clay or to paint a picture and maybe cut something out or whatever. And I would always run away and go to the playground and play in the sand or on my own. And in the beginning, the teachers would totally freak out and try and convince me to come and sit with the other kids and do the project in a group. And I would just refuse to go. I would not do it. And eventually they would call my mom, and my mom had to have a conversation with me and try and convince me, and I would just refuse. Eventually, after a week or so, they would just give up, and I would just be on my own in the play area. One or two other kids would try and do the same, but the teachers would always convince them to go back and join the group, and they will fall in and do whatever. But this wasn't because I wanted to be naughty or I just wanted to resist being placed in a group or labeled or tested. It felt fucked up to me at that age. And so I just refused, and I would end up doing my own thing. I don't know how they gave me points or anything, and that carried on right through life. As long as if I could see a pattern repeating itself, or too many people joining the same thing, like a simple example is drinking coffee. So millions and millions of people drink coffee, and their mothers would, if I go to friends, their mothers would bring them coffee in the morning. And after the third guy I went to or visited, and his mother would wake him up with coffee, my mother didn't wake me up with any coffee in the mornings. I used to wake her up, taking her a cup of coffee. So it was just strange to me. And I would just decide there and then I would never in my life drink coffee. And still up until today, I wouldn't drink coffee. So your answer is yes, I've always been different. I don't want to be labeled. I don't want to cut my hair when you say I must cut my hair. I don't want to look like you look, or the group looks, or a bunch of people look. It's just not me. So in that way, I might be weird. I don't care. Have a lucky weekend.